Focusing. Alright, redirecting. And hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whatever you do. Welcome to No Budget Show. Alright, so today we will gonna put a film for our Instax Mini. So this is kind of old version. First, you have to check that you have a battery. Yes. I'm using the old Instax, so I still have this kind of battery. This one, can you see that one? This one, it's Panasonic. And can I show you your Instax? And we have the newest one. Ah, that's from GN. Yes. Yes, and this is very new.
Fresh from the box.
Fresh from the box. Anyway, yes, there's also different type of Instax that, to be safe, please open. Your face will not be shown. Okay, I will open. This battery, so like a regular lithium A battery. So this is kind of handy actually. So your battery is ready, and make sure it's on. So we're gonna turn this on. How to turn this thing on?
Oh no!
No, you haven't. So let's go back to the old school. So Instax Mini 10. So there's a power button here. That sound again, that's cool. And if you can see, there's like an E here for empty. Wow, just like your life without God, empty. Or life without love life, empty. Anyways, yes, empty. So we were gonna refill this one. So battery's okay, your power on is okay, it's empty. So we're gonna open this here, like slowly, and you can hear a little bit of a sound. And there's black film over here. It says Instax Mini Film. Are you ready? Okay, so turn on. Okay, just to be safe, let's just turn off. Okay, you will turn that off. Okay, now it's off. Either ways, you can do the one. And if you see, there's like a finger that you shouldn't touch your finger in the black film. So just slowly and carefully, one by one, remove that, and you'll see that hollow there. So we're gonna close it for a little bit, because I'm gonna grab our Instax film. Have you seen yours? Oh, this is yours. All right. So this is standard to everyone. So Instax Mini, read the instructions before use. Yes, let's read. It's good to read. And yes, there's instructions over there. Just peel this off slowly and carefully, one by one. I'm gonna remove this one. Yeah. Careful. And remember the black thing again there? It's empty now, right? Yes. And still same instruction. Black thing over here. Okay, so don't touch it. Okay. Just don't touch that one because that's the film. And don't touch it as well. Here. So you're gonna open. Open. And slowly and carefully, one by one, there's the yellow and yellow, like in the Coldplay song, yellow. And you close it. Ta-da! And once you turn it on, okay, we're good. That sound, we love to hear that sound. And if you see, alright, it's processing. Okay, wait, focusing. Alright, redirecting. And there's supposed to be number there, but there's no number, so we're gonna check this again. Okay, everything is fine. Everything's fine. But I forgot. We gotta do a quick, because there's still black. Remember that there was black? So we're gonna do, okay, I'm gonna try that. There's supposed to be black that will come out here. So, checking myself. Okay, it's on. And let's try once more. Once more. Yay! It worked! Yeah, that's how it's supposed to. It takes time, just like relationship, it takes time. So that would be removed, and there would be remaining shots. That would be 10. So I can take 10 pictures out from our Instax. So let me try with this with you. So 3, 2, 1. Smile. And the magic flipping, and you're gonna see this after 10 hours. And yeah, this is just a typical, the white, there's black, there's a lot of designs that you can choose. I've also here, I like designs, so just choose your designs. And yeah, this is cool. That's how to do it. Bye.